In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is a digital currency outside the control of banks and governments. It uses a public ledger called the blockchain to record transactions. Miners verify transactions by solving complex problems, ensuring security. Bitcoin's decentralized nature empowers individuals with financial control. At the heart of Bitcoin lies the blockchain, a revolutionary technology that ensures transparency and security. Imagine a digital ledger, replicated across a vast network of computers, where every transaction is recorded and verified. This distributed ledger system is the backbone of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Each block in the blockchain contains a record of multiple Bitcoin transactions. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it becomes a permanent part of the transaction history, which is visible to anyone. This transparency ensures accountability and builds trust among users. The blockchain security is maintained through cryptography, a complex system of mathematical algorithms. Each block is linked to the previous block, creating a chain of transactions that is extremely difficult to tamper with. Any attempt to alter a past transaction would require changing every subsequent block in the chain, which is practically impossible. This tamper-proof nature of the blockchain has significant implications for various industries beyond finance. It can revolutionize supply chain management, digital identity verification, and even voting systems, ensuring transparency and security. Bitcoin transactions, unlike traditional bank transfers, occur directly between users without intermediaries. Imagine sending money to a friend using a digital wallet instead of going through a bank. These wallets store unique cryptographic keys that authorize transactions. When you initiate a Bitcoin transaction, it is broadcast to the network of users. Miners, who are responsible for verifying transactions, pick up your transaction and group it with others into a block. They then compete to solve complex mathematical problems to add this block to the blockchain. The first miner to solve the problem and add the block to the blockchain receives a reward in Bitcoin. This process, known as mining, incentivizes users to contribute to the network's security and efficiency. Once your transaction is included in a block and added to the blockchain, it becomes permanent and irreversible. While Bitcoin transactions offer greater privacy than traditional methods, they are not entirely anonymous. All transactions are recorded on the public blockchain, although identifying the individuals behind specific wallets can be challenging. Section 4. Decentralized and secure. The power of the network. One of Bitcoin's most powerful features is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by central banks, Bitcoin operates on a distributed network of computers, making it resistant to censorship and single points of failure. Imagine a network of computers spread across the globe, each holding a copy of the Bitcoin blockchain. This distributed network ensures that no single entity can control or manipulate the currency. Even if one part of the network goes down, the rest can continue functioning seamlessly. This decentralization also makes Bitcoin resistant to censorship. Governments or other powerful entities cannot shut down the network or prevent individuals from making transactions. This freedom and autonomy are particularly valuable in regions with limited access to traditional financial systems. Moreover, the blockchain's cryptographic security ensures that Bitcoin transactions are safe and secure. The decentralized and secure nature of Bitcoin empowers individuals by giving them control over their finances and protecting them from traditional financial risks. Section 5. Bitcoin myths debunked, separating fact from fiction. Despite growing popularity, misconceptions about Bitcoin persist. One common myth is that Bitcoin is only used for illegal activities. While it's true that Bitcoin's anonymity has attracted illicit use in the past, the vast majority of transactions are legitimate. Another misconception is that Bitcoin is too volatile to be a reliable currency. While Bitcoin's price has fluctuated significantly, it has also shown long-term growth. As the market matures and adoption increases, volatility is expected to decrease. Some argue that Bitcoin has no intrinsic value. However, like gold, Bitcoin's value is derived from its scarcity and the cost of mining. Its limited supply and decentralized nature make it a valuable asset for many. Finally, there's the misconception that Bitcoin is too complex for the average person to understand. While the underlying technology can be technical, Using Bitcoin is becoming increasingly user-friendly with the emergence of intuitive wallets and exchanges.